All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today worked on the units again. Like I said, my last unit, I think I said that yesterday, but anyways, worked on the last FPB unit, which stands for fan power box, or FPB, if I said that wrong. So anyways, same old, hooking everything up inside there, installing the DAT boxes and extending the HC valve. And then I went on to turn on the circuits once I got that last unit finished. Went ahead and turned on the three circuits with the transformer inside that box. You have no idea what I'm talking about, but anyways, there's this transformer with the 3 circuit breakers for these fan boxes. And so I went ahead and turned those on, and then I went around and checking the thermostats, making sure they were all working. Surprise, surprise, more problems. I'm not going to say who did it, how old they were, but you already know. So went ahead and had to rewire half of these that were already done on the wall. As soon as I did that, it was working good and dandy. I did make a mistake though. I misread the blueprint, and so I had to crawl up back into the ceiling right here, which is really big pain. If you can't see that, there's about 6 to 8 inches, so I basically have to slide against the ladder and slide my back against the wall because it's so tight. But anyways, if you can see here, I confused FPB 1.6 with 1.4. So 1.4 was already working, and I was trying to get 1.6 to work, so I confused it, and so I went up to the ceiling and trying to fix 1.6, but I was actually on the unit 1.4, so I cut that one and stripped it even though it was already working, so I just made a little bit more work for myself, but realized that once it was already too late. So then I actually went to 1.6 and fixed it. So and then at the end of the day, I actually did something different. I was so excited. I actually got to bend a piece of pipe. It's been so long. It was actually kind of fun. So I just did a basic stub 90 with a kick on it to get into the box, strapped it to the wall. One of them blew out right there, as you can see. And then I just flexed into the bottom of this. I forgot what these are called. I apologize. It's called the VFD, variable something. I forget the initials. But basically, I got the wire into the box and then didn't have the instructions to hook it up. So just left the cover off, and someone will hook it up tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. That's going to do it for today's video. I am going to a new job site tomorrow because that was pretty much the end of this job site, finishing all of the fan power boxes, and they can't test the units until like a month later, until all the dust and stuff is gone in the building, because there's still a lot of sheetrock dust and painting going on, so they can't test the units without getting a whole bunch of dust inside of them. So going on to another job site tomorrow, which is basically going to be really similar because they're both schools. So I'm going to be doing the first type of units that I was working on, the VAVs, which is basically just, if you remember, the big brains with all the wires inside. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing that I've been doing for the last 3 weeks, probably standing on ladders again for all day. My right ankle has been really hurting. I don't know if it's from standing on a ladder the last 3 weeks, but that would actually make sense. But if it feels like I kind of rolled it, I don't know. I've never really rolled it before, but that's what it feels like. But anyways, had a really good day at work. I was excited to do something different, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing the same thing for a while, for a long time, at this next school that I'm going to. So anyways, just give you guys a little heads up. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate all the support. Love you guys. As always, check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. It would help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And I did get my beard trimmed and my neck like shaved, so it looks good. So anyways, it's a little bit itchy, but just getting used to that. But that'll do it. Love you guys. Bye.